So we're back. I plugged in the little electric window circuit breaker, and I clamped this cheapo Harbor Freight multimeter on there, and it's set up for DC amperage, and you can see it's saying that there's almost between 0.1 and 0.2 amps while nothing's going on. I don't know if that's true or if it's just a crappy meter, but interestingly, I turn the ignition on, all of a sudden it jumps up to nearly an amp. Doesn't really seem right, but I will address that in a minute with some other tools and try and figure that out. But here I go. I'm gonna run the passenger window up. It's down currently. 5. It's at the top, and then it goes, 8, 8.5. I'm holding the button down still. Let go of the button, we drop down to about an amp. Run it back down. Same sort of thing. Driver window is a little sticky, so let's run this one up. And I don't even think it'll go up, it's so slow. You'll hear it sort of going in the background as it tries to go up. It doesn't get all the way up to 8. So I get to the top, and then it starts pushing against nothing and goes on up to 8. Let's come down and see what happens. 5, 6. Let's do both at the same time going up. See what happens. Pow. 10, 11. Oh, did it just trigger? Huh. All right, let's turn it off.